world of precision manufacturing, no decision can be made without accurate and reliable information. With over 30 years of experience in industrial gas and liquid flow measurement technologies, HAK Automation proudly offers smart automation solutions in collaboration with S.K.I, GmbH, the global leader in differential pressure flow measurement devices in accordance with ISO 5167. Our products are characterized by high precision, reliability, and endurance in the harshest industrial conditions, from high temperatures to extreme pressures. SDF, sensors for gases and liquids. SDE of WEV, sensors for steam. Differential pressure instruments for flow. HAK Flow LPD. HAK Flow HMP. HAK Flow 0. HAK Flow QAL. HAK Mine. With HAK Automation, you can monitor and analyze fluid and gas flow with real-time accuracy, boosting operational efficiency and reducing harmful emissions. The partnership between S.K.I, GmbH, and HAK Automation opens up new horizons for innovation and industrial control.